Okay, so one thing that I always keep my eye out for is my pattern of dishes that I use, which is Johnson's Brothers Blue Willow. It's not one of the most expensive set, but it is a nice set. It is beautiful, and I use it for everyday dishes. And I have, actually, the children bought these dishes for me. Every time it was a birthday or Mother's Day or Christmas or any time that they felt that they had to give Mother a gift, the perfect gift for them was one set of dishes or one piece to add to this, like whether it was a creamer or a butter dish or all sorts of accessories. So I have quite a collection of this. Did have 12-piece place setting. Two of the larger dishes did break over the years. But today at the thrift shop, boy, was I thrilled to find 4 dishes and 2 soup bowls. Now the soup bowls, I never did have a full set. I only had 8, which is something my husband bought to try and complete the set for me. But at $35 a piece, they're fairly expensive. So today I picked those 2 of them up for, I don't know if you can see that, $1.99. $1.99. Couldn't believe my eyes. I am thrilled. And now I've not only replaced the 2 large dishes that were broke, now I have an additional 2, and my rim soup bowls are up to 10. Have to find another 2. Thank you for watching.